You trust your car to keep you safe. But what if it's not seeing the road the way it should? That's the magic of ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance Systems. But here's the thing. If your car's forward-facing camera isn't calibrated properly, those life-saving features might not work the way they should. First, what is a forward-facing ADAS camera? It's usually mounted behind your windshield. It helps run safety features like lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking. So how do we calibrate it? Step 1, we connect a scan tool to the vehicle's computer system. This helps us see if the system is ready to calibrate. Step 2, we bring the vehicle into a well-lit, level space with no obstructions. Static calibration means we use special targets placed around the vehicle in very specific positions. The camera then looks at those targets while we follow instructions from the scan tool. Once calibration is complete, we verify everything works. The warning lights turn off, and the features function properly during a test drive. And that's about it. If your car needs camera calibration, don't wait. Come to Portland Automotive today. We've got the tools, the training, and the experience to keep your ADAS systems working like new.